Hello friends, how are you? And I will back after a long time. And currently we are suffering from Omicron virus, and new already a number of cases are increased in France, Germany, Italy, UK, and USA. New case found in New Zealand and Australia, also the other part of Europe zone. So fundamentally, Euro will weak as usual. Oil may down again as number of cases increases in Europe. So we may find difficulties to getting strong of euro, and also oil may fall because of as usual increasing the Omicron virus cases, and also focus on US next bill. Senator yet to approve this bill. Meanwhile, he reject this bill to approve. Although Biden trying to pass the bill, if the bill approved, DX will touch, and I will give you the detail on DXY chart, and you have to follow gas crisis in Europe zone, inflation in Eurozone, and vaccine news, and yet to find a good news for vaccination about Omicron, and there is no new vaccine for Omicron. Yet they try to uh, prevent the disease with the booster dose, but it does not affect the market because it's spread very widely. So it will affect early in 2022. Maybe it affect from January and February. So market will affect and react with this. So let's see. US index, crude, gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY, USD CAD, SEP JPY, and remember, always this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that is going for buy or sell. We will only forecast the market and look at that. As I say, DXY, if it's try to break down and the retest the level, and you can see this support zone 96. So if the bill, US next bill is approved, then we may find this uh, 97.5 area, then it may falling down again. But at present market is ranging between 96 7 to 96. This area you can see last couple of weeks we are going to a ranging market, so there is nothing special in DXY, and is the end of the channel. So I think it will give another swing up, then it will go down again. And as crude, as I mentioned that Omicron is spread largely in Europe zone, and that was why crude oil demand is very low. But there is some snowfall and some coldest area in Europe zone. Also, the gas is not insufficient, so we may find a though gold is breakout in look at that 73.19. So if it continue break up, it will hit around 79 area, then we can find a pullback. And if it break 70.92, then we may find a drop area around 62 or 61 level again next week. So overall in crude, we may have to watch out the market whether uh, open gap or not, then we can make a decision. And at present it break 73.19. As like crude, gold also break out 18.05. and market may be trying to open a gap because a coronavirus is and then Omicron is widely affected in Eurozone, so we may find a gap. And if it break out and remain breakout in and 1805, then we may find around this zone, 1855 zone. Then we may find a pullback. So better to wait to a retracement around 1781 area, then we can buy again. And if it break below 1785, then we may find around a retest against 70.50 area. Well, lots of talk about euro USD that it is not going up or down, but because that is the market is sideways, and there's a sideways from 23 November, and we find a sideways market, and it can go either way. But at present, if it break 1.13421, then we may find around 1.14, even 1.5 area. And if it break below again 1.2921, then we may find a retest again this level 1.12 area. GBP we need a breakout around 1.3436, market fall and give a sideways and now trying to break up, but this breakup is not for the bullishness. We may find 1.3393 for break down area. If it came and below 1.3339 area, then we may find a drop around again this level 1.3836 or even 1.30 level, then when we have a trade. So currently I am some bullishness. If it break out from 1.34, then I will trade, go for a buy, then from the top I will sell. And I may expect if market open, and then we may find a drop around this 50 Fibonacci level, then we can try to make a buy level from there. Well, Euro GBP, you can see nice swing, then we can find a drop area. So market is now bearish. So if it break out level from 84 area, 0.84156 level, then we can make again sell level. And if it break again 84982, then we have to buy from there. Otherwise, it's a correction level. We may find a correction around 8456 level, then we can try to sell from there. And if it break level 8466 level, then we can buy again from there. USD JPY, and we see a weak JPY last couple of months. So JPY is still so is bearish. So we see the breakout around 114.467, then we may take a buy position. Market give us